Hi! So today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be using Wineberry Blush as a blush, but also as an eyeshadow. So here we go. This is the finished product we're going to do today. A nice daily, easy, simple eyeshadow combination that is going to be easily used because you're going to use it as your blush too. So multi-use. We love multi-use products here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get started. I'm going to get started with the blush. I am going to mix it a little bit with this other one that's over here with it. So it is Hint of Pink and then Wineberry Blush. So those are the two. I'm just going to kind of mix them together. I like a little bit of that pink, the matte pink with the rosy, that's Hint of Pink, sorry, and then the Wineberry. I like them a little bit mixed together. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply that on my cheekbone first. It looks crazy right now, right? Look how dark it is, and look how nice and light and blended it is over here. So we're going to blend it out, no worries. So it always looks a little crazier when you very first put it on, but take the blending brush, the all-over blending brush, and go ahead and just little circles all over your cheek to kind of blend this out and give your cheek a nice, pretty glow. Just like that. All right, and now I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter with it too. So the highlighter I'm going to use today is glazed highlighter right up here. So it's in that top corner. Flip your cheek brush over and you can apply your highlighter with the same brush right on top of where I just applied that blush right up there. All right, now I'm going to do one more little just to make sure this is nice and blended. And now we're going to move into the eyeshadow combination. So we're going to use the same colors. What we're going to get started with today is going to be a little bit of the liquid eyeshadow in Light Beam. I love the Light Beam for a little bit of it acts as a base, so it's going to hold your eyeshadow on better. But two, it has a little bit of color to it, so it's got this creamy sparkle. It's so pretty. So let me show you. I like to use the cream color brush to blend this out. Just all over your eye. Just make sure that's nice and blended all over your eyelid. So again, it's going to act as a base, and it's also going to act as that pretty little shimmery color underneath there. So it is going to, since it's got that little bit of liquid to it too, it's so nice that it holds your eyeshadows on so nicely. So, or in this case, we're going to use blush. So there's no reason that you cannot use blushes as eyeshadows, and eyeshadows as blushes or highlight or things like that. So don't feel like you can't do that. You can experiment and use these products however you want to. So here's how I'm going to do it today though. I have Light Beam on right now. I'm going to take Wineberry with my blending brush. So this is, this is my blending brush. I'm taking Wineberry. I'm going to add a little bit to this outer corner. So I'm going to windshield wiper that in a little bit. Just back and forth, back and forth. And then I'm also going to bring it down. So it's kind of like creating a little bit of a V out here. And we're using, again, this is the blending brush. So this does not come in the Essential Brush collection. If you've never tried Mary Kay brushes or you don't have them, I would highly recommend trying them. I love the brushes so much. They're a great quality, and they're also very inexpensive, which I love, and they have lifetime guarantee. So that's just another added bonus. All right, so I'm just blending this Wineberry blush with the Light Beam. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of Crystalline, which is that brighter white in the inner corner, and right underneath my brow bone, just like that. I'm going to take a little bit of the rose gold right on my lid. And then I'm just going to do one more blend across here just to make sure that it's nice and blended. So what do you think about this eyeshadow combo? All right, and then I'm also going to take this brush, which is the smudge brush. It does come in the Essential Brush collection. A little bit of Wineberry. I'm going to put that right underneath my eye. Just like that. All right, now I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner with it too. So the eyeliner that I use today, you can see I have just a little bit out here. It's the waterproof liquid eyeliner. So I'm going to apply hang on. I'm going to apply just a little bit in this outer corner. So about halfway across my lid. So I don't want like a full streak of eyeliner. I just want a little bit of eyeliner. I love this waterproof eyeliner too. I love how It is waterproof. It doesn't go anywhere. I love that. I also love how it's so pigmented, so it stays so black. One tip is if you do have this eyeliner, make sure you store it tip down always, because the liquid will, like, make sure it's always running down. We don't want the liquid to be up here and then we're trying to apply it down here. So you can see here, I just added just a little bit out here. All right, next I'm going to take a little bit of mascara. Before I put my mascara on though, I am gonna curl my lashes. This always just helps to kind of give your lashes a little bit of a boost. It also helps with your mascara. So sometimes I have clients that have their mascara ends up making their eyelashes like shoot straight out. So then they're not curled or anything, just shooting straight out. So curling your eyelashes ahead of time will kind of prevent that from happening. So if that happens to you, I also think it just gives your mascara a little bit of a better path to run on. So it kind of is going to hold your lashes up a little bit better if you curl it ahead of time too. All right, Lash Fanaroma is what I'm using right now. And as I'm putting this on, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you enjoy this content, make sure you do. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. If you want to purchase these products, down below in the description, you will be able to see all the products that I used today, which was not very many. This was a quick look with only a couple of products. I hope you enjoyed that. And then also you'll be able to find my link there too so that you can shop. Find me on Facebook, find me on Instagram, find me on TikTok. You can find me on all the places. All right, so I'm just putting a coat of this Lash Fanaroma, and then I'm going to grab these bottom lashes. Just like that. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of a lip to it too. So we're gonna use a little bit of lip primer. Always use lip primer whenever you're doing your lips if you want your lip color to stay on for longer. And it's also gonna prevent any wrinkles on your lips. So we wanna prevent the wrinkles, right? This is my favorite lip gloss, my very favorite lip gloss color. So this is Nude Blush. So it is a creamy consistency. I like it because it just kind of matches my lips. I have them all over. I like that it doesn't have any shimmer in it either. So it's just a little bit different. I love a shimmer sometimes, but sometimes I don't want a shimmer. I just want it to be a regular gloss, a creamy gloss. And that is exactly what this one is. This is my very favorite lip gloss color. So tell me down below, what do you think about this combination? We used Wineberry Blush as the blush and as my eyeshadow today. We used Nude Blush lip gloss. We also used a couple other eyeshadows, but tell me down below what you think about this look and if you would replicate it. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye.